Discover the secret to luscious, vibrant locks. Are you ready for a hair transformation like never before? Meet our stunning client, embodying the essence of healthy, wonderful long hair. Join us on a journey of beauty, confidence, and radiant locks with Engy Khalil's Hair Consultation Service. Witness the magic. Watch as Engy works her magic, guiding you through a personalized journey to achieve the hair of your dreams. Holistic approach. Experience the power of a holistic approach to hair health, where beauty starts from within. Real results. See the tangible results as our client's hair undergoes a breathtaking transformation, from initial consultation to flourishing lengths. Unlock your hair's potential. Ready to embrace the locks you've always craved? Book your consultation now and let Engy Khalil guide you toward the radiant, long hair you deserve. Book your consultation now. Your journey to exceptional hair begins here.